Hello! In this tutorial, I'm going to use a laptop so that you can see what I'm doing with the mouse pointer. But it's much better to play with a tablet, and then you have to touch with your finger instead of clicking. Here I am in the land of Gaomia, the first world in the game. I need to get to the end of all 3 paths so that I reach all 3 crowns, and then I can get into the next world. If I click on the Worlds button, then I can see which world I'm in. Look here. I can also see any worlds that I've finished and which ones are left. There's lots of worlds left, so I'd better get started. Now I need to set my preferences, so let's click on the preferences. Look, I can choose a hero. I like the monster, so I'm going to click on the monster. And I can choose a watcher. I like the baby, so I'm going to click on the baby. Now I'm ready to play, so I can click on a level that's flashing. Now there's only one level that's flashing, so I'd better click on that one. That sign is telling me what I need to collect. It's a red sign, so I need to collect red things. I'd better be careful to stay away from the things that aren't red. Woo! Hooray! Oh look, a fast achievement. Woo! Oh, and a flawless achievement. Wow. And now look, the achievements tab is flashing. Let's click and see what it is. My prizes aren't here. Or here. Oh, there they are, look, a fast achievement and a flawless achievement. And I've got 2 out of 75 achievements. That's brilliant. Look, now the next level's flashing, so I could play the next level if I wanted to. But I want to see what all of these other buttons are first. Look. This looks like a gallery. I wonder what this is. Oh, it is a gallery. Look, there's lots of secret creatures that I need to collect. I haven't found any secret creatures yet. I've already collected a red square, so a red square can't be a secret creature. I wonder if a blue square is a secret creature. I'd better wait until I've collected a blue square to find out. Oh, look, I wonder what that spanner means. Let's see. Oh, it's upgrades. Look, if I have enough stars, then I can buy more speed or more power. If I want more speed, I just need 5 stars. But at the moment, I've only got 1 star. So I'd better play some more to get more stars. Look, the last button that I haven't clicked on looks like a present. I wonder what it is. Gosh, I need to win atoms so my hero can climb up and get that present. It says I need to win 40 atoms to get to the top of the ladder, but I don't have any yet. I wonder how I can win atoms. I'll have to play more to find out.